Understanding shook me to the core, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on a powerful phrase, shook me to the core. Idioms are expressions that can't be understood from their individual words alone, and they add color and depth to our language. This particular idiom is a vivid way to express strong emotions, and we're going to unpack its meaning, usage, and origins. So, let's dive in and get to the core of this expression. Shook me to the core is an idiomatic expression used to describe a profound or intense emotional impact on someone. When something shakes you to the core, it affects you deeply, often in a way that is surprising or unsettling. The core here refers to the very center of your being, implying that the experience has touched the most essential part of you, your emotions, beliefs, or values. To help you understand how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. The news of the earthquake shook me to the core, making me realize how fragile life can be. 2. Watching the determination of those athletes shook me to the core. It was incredibly inspiring. 3. Hearing her story of survival in the wilderness for weeks shook me to the core. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to convey a deep emotional reaction to an event, story, or observation. While it's challenging to pinpoint the exact origin of many idioms, shook me to the core likely evolved from the human tendency to describe emotional experiences using physical metaphors. The idea of being shaken suggests a disturbance or a powerful impact, while the core signifies the central, most important part of something. Together, they effectively communicate an experience that has a profound and lasting effect on a person. And there you have it. The phrase, shook me to the core, is a vivid and expressive way to communicate deep emotional impact. Whether you're describing personal experiences or sharing stories that have moved you, this idiom can add depth and intensity to your language. We hope this video has not only enlightened you about this particular expression but also inspired you to explore and embrace more idioms in English. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful complexity of the English language.